The wheels of the Sparrow Monster G are something special. They were taken directly from a Boeing 747. Each wheel has a diameter of 20 inches and a width of 14 inches, making them truly gigantic. The tires were custom-made by Goodyear specifically for this project. The car's body is made of Kevlar, ensuring high strength with relatively low weight, making the Monster G an ideal candidate for extreme conditions. There is a small scooter in the trunk, which can be useful if you need to navigate narrower or inaccessible areas for the large vehicle. The 6.4-liter V8 Mercedes-Benz engine develops 350 horsepower, making the Sparrow Monster G not only powerful but also a dynamic off-roader capable of impressive speed characteristics.